Welcome back to the Wi-Fi Money Vault, where we unlock the secrets of earning online and provide you with a roadmap to navigate the vast opportunities of the digital world. In today's video, we're delving into the often overlooked realm of Pinterest affiliate marketing. While platforms like Instagram and blogs have been traditional favorites, Pinterest offers a goldmine of potential for affiliate marketers. I'm here to guide you through the process, sharing top strategies, affiliate programs, and tips to help you monetize your presence on Pinterest effectively. So first things first, why Pinterest? Picture this: over 500 million active users every month scrolling, pinning, and exploring. That's like having the entire population of the United States plus some more, all gathered in one digital space. Now that's not just a number, it's a massive pool of potential customers waiting to discover new products and ideas. But here's the kicker. While Pinterest boasts a staggering user base, it often flies under the radar for many marketers. Maybe it's because it's seen as more of a visual playground than a serious marketing platform. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. With its predominantly female user demographic and emphasis on eye-catching visuals, Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketers looking to tap into niche markets. Think about it. From fashion to home decor, gardening to fitness, Pinterest covers a vast array of interests and passions, and with users actively seeking inspiration and ideas, they're primed and ready to discover new products and make purchases. It's like having a virtual shopping mall where your pins are the storefronts, beckoning users to explore and buy. And here's a little nugget for you. Did you know that 90% of weekly users on Pinterest use it to make purchase decisions? That's right. People aren't just browsing aimlessly, they're actively seeking out products to buy. So, by strategically positioning your affiliate links and content on Pinterest, you're not just reaching a massive audience, you're reaching a highly motivated audience ready to take action. So if you're looking to up your affiliate marketing game, Pinterest is where it's at. All right, let's talk about choosing the perfect niche for your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey. Sure, fashion and home decor might be the flashy options, but guess what? Everyone and their grandma's cat are already vying for attention there. It's like trying to stand out in a crowded room where everyone's shouting at once. Instead, why not venture into the realm of smaller, less explored niches? Take gardening, for example. It's like the hidden gem of Pinterest. While not as glitzy as fashion, it's a niche brimming with potential. Imagine this. You're sharing your passion for growing vibrant tomatoes or creating the perfect backyard oasis. Suddenly, you're not just another voice in the crowd, you're the go-to guru for gardening enthusiasts. And that's the beauty of niching down. You become the expert in your field, commanding attention and loyalty from your audience. But here's the real secret sauce: passion. When you're genuinely passionate about your niche, creating content feels less like work and more like sharing your favorite hobby with friends. And trust me, authenticity shines brighter than any flashy trend. Plus, did you know that 72% of Pinterest users say the platform inspires them to take action? That's right. By tapping into a niche you're passionate about, you're not just creating content, you're inspiring action and building a community around your interests. So before you dive headfirst into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing, take a moment to explore your passions. Whether it's gardening, gaming, or gourmet cooking, there's a niche waiting for you to make it your own. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is success on Pinterest. Now that you've nailed down your niche, let's dive into the exciting world of finding products to promote. After all, what good is a niche without the right products to showcase? Enter Amazon Associates, the holy grail of affiliate marketing for many. With its extensive product catalog and user-friendly commission structure, it's like a virtual goldmine for affiliate marketers. But here's the kicker. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While Amazon is great, it's not the only player in town. Take a page from the pros and explore other affiliate programs within your niche. You might stumble upon hidden gems offering higher commission rates or unique products that Amazon doesn't carry. By diversifying your affiliate portfolio, you not only maximize your earning potential, but also safeguard yourself against any sudden changes in a single platform's policies. Think of it like building a stock portfolio. Diversification is key to weathering market fluctuations. So, cast your net wide, Explore different affiliate programs and watch your income soar as you become the ultimate curator of must-have products in your niche. Transitioning from niche selection to product sourcing, it's time to level up your Pinterest affiliate marketing game and discover the endless possibilities awaiting you in the world of product promotion. Hey there! If you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Wi-Fi Money Vault for more in-depth tutorials and strategies on earning online. Your support fuels our mission to empower individuals like you to succeed in the digital landscape. Now let's dive back into our journey to master Pinterest affiliate marketing. And going back. Now that you've got a clear idea of the products you want to promote, it's time to lay down the digital groundwork for your affiliate empire. Enter the most important step: setting up your website. Think of your website as your digital storefront, a place where potential customers can learn more about you, your niche, and the products you endorse. With platforms like Squarespace at your disposal, creating a professional website is easier than ever. No coding skills required, just your creativity and a vision for your brand. Having a website not only adds credibility to your affiliate marketing venture, but also provides a central hub for your audience to discover your content. Plus, it's a powerful tool for driving traffic to your affiliate links and boosting your conversion rates. Remember, your website is more than just a virtual space. It's an investment in your long-term success as an affiliate marketer. So, don't skimp on the details. Take the time to craft a visually appealing and user-friendly site that reflects your brand personality and resonates with your target audience. Transitioning from product sourcing to website setup, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the exciting world of building your online presence. With the right tools and a sprinkle of creativity, you'll be well on your way to carving out your corner of the digital landscape and reaping the rewards of affiliate marketing success. After your website is up and running, it's time to amplify your presence on Pinterest, the ultimate visual search engine and a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Transitioning from setting up your website to creating a professional Pinterest account is seamless. Just as your website serves as your digital storefront, your Pinterest account acts as a storefront window, showcasing your content to potential customers scrolling through the platform. To make the most of Pinterest's features, upgrading your personal account to a business account is crucial. Not only does this unlock valuable tools like Analytics and Ads Manager, but it also signals to your audience that you mean business. Plus, having a business account allows you to leverage Pinterest's advertising capabilities to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. When setting up your business profile, consistency is key. Use your brand name, logo, and website link to ensure a cohesive identity across all your online platforms. This consistency not only reinforces your brand, but also builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to engage with your content and click on your affiliate links. With a professional Pinterest account and a clear brand identity, you're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Transitioning from setting up your professional Pinterest account, let's dive into the crucial step of optimizing your affiliate links. Think of your affiliate links as the bridges between your content and potential earnings. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Pinterest users are twice as likely to say their time spent on the platform is well spent compared to other social media platforms? That's the kind of engagement you want to tap into. Now back to optimizing those links. It's tempting to resort to tactics like link cloaking or spammy practices, but trust me, authenticity is your secret weapon here. Imagine you're helping a friend find the perfect product. You wouldn't disguise the recommendation, would you? Instead, you'd offer genuine advice tailored to their needs. Similarly, focus on creating content that genuinely adds value to your audience's Pinterest experience. For instance, if you're passionate about gardening and have just discovered an incredible set of gardening tools on Amazon, share your excitement. Create engaging pins showcasing the tools in action, accompanied by informative descriptions and personal anecdotes. Remember, building trust takes time, but it's worth the investment. By prioritizing authenticity and providing valuable content, You'll not only enhance your credibility, but also foster long-term relationships with your audience, the kind that keeps them coming back for more. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to kickstart your journey into Pinterest affiliate marketing. By leveraging the platform's vast user base, selecting the right niche, and curating compelling content, you can unlock a world of earning potential. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to delivering value to your audience. So roll up your sleeves, get creative, and start monetizing your passion on Pinterest today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights from the Wi-Fi Money Vault. Until next time, happy pinning, happy.